Today we're connecting the N1 remote with the DJI A2S. So first thing you want to do is power both of them on. So you press and hold on both for power on. That blinking shows it's looking for a drone to pair with. So we're going to go into connection guide and find A2S.
Let's continue.
Continue.
Because this remote was actually connected before with the Mini 2. That's why it is only doing the firmware update, which takes only a few seconds. Okay, so it's done. That's okay. Again, go to the A2S.
And now what you want to do is put the drone into pairing mode. For that you do a long press until you hear a beep. And now that's gone into pairing mode as well.
Camera view.
So now you go to camera view and then 3 dots in the top corner. Control, and you scroll all the way to the bottom to connect to aircraft. And now you wait. And now that's connected to the drone. That's the camera here. And that's it. It's very simple.
Can you turn it on? Just turn on the motors to test. You can stick upwards. Yeah. There you go. It works. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.